Ebitaguriro n'amatwenge gatara ga burijo nibyo twashanga St Mark Nasarand Primary School omukageti Nyabushozi Kiruhura District.
Celebrating okika kw'abana batukasitamisa abana nshanju abana atano na bana bakora first grade abasingire omurya numureba abana kubashemerirwe abasingire bine 4 aggregates na munonga tuinaho mwana ine 4 aggregates. We have another one with 4 aggregates. This one is 6 ngokurene begambira
abeji bishomerere nibebembeze mico mirungi no kutina mukama ekibaro kugira ngo shibakozise kurungi.
Yari cyaretera umwana wanjye kumureta St Mark ngakunde ko yisomero rungi kandi ko bishomesa umwana nagira mico mirungi St Mark ina mico mirungi icyo cyampera amana go kumureta St Mark
niyo kunakushomereje nkahika university nimpuranye ndakuva musirikare.
Abashomesa n'abazire abo twashanga mu kuzaguzoku nibagira ngo buryo omwe namanya gukora ryo mwuga gwe ekiri kubongera obubonero.
Okwataje ebiturabiremu kisiyabuhanguzi omu class omu twetuma abashomesa bingi nishomesa okubara inemu tisha Edward nashomesa English, tisha Davis nashomesa science kandi tisha Frank nashomesa SST. Konka twine abandi batichaza be batuyamba nka tisha Claire, tisha Dokasi n'abandi bona baryenyema abatuyambere kwa bana aba.
First of all, I'm so thankful to the Almighty God for giving us a blessing plus our school. I thank even the head teacher for employing expert teachers for giving us a very good work so that we can do aggregate 4.
And I also thank my head teacher has been employing the teachers, and I thank my director has been providing us with the electricity to read our books. I thank my parents who have paid for this school fees to achieve it for God and my country.
Ndisande William ahabwa gachenjwira.